In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize Pulse tab on Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It's packed with a lot of different premium features that are completely for free, such as an amazing wallet tracker and Twitter tracker, a Pulse tracker and a PNL tracker with a top-notch reward system where you can basically just earn Solana back simply for just trading, and then you can also trade perpetuals, use the turbo mode for faster fills, use all of their filters, amazing over here, and you can also set your presets for buy and sell settings with the ability to change slippage, priority, and bribe fees as well. So again, link down below, make sure you check it out, you won't regret it. So to actually customize the Pulse tab on Axiom, this has just gotten more features right now. You want to go to Pulse over here, and with the new update, whenever you click on display, you can now select what you want. So here you can see metrics. They can either be small or they can be large like this. You can see the quick button. You can have it on small, large. You can have it on mega or on ultra, which will basically make it ultra. And or here, what you can also do is in all of these options over here. So if you use small, large, or mega, you can basically have it gray or with color. Now, what you can also do in case you're using ultra, you can go with regular ultra, or you can go with glowing ultra like this, or you can also have the border on there, or you can basically make it gray in case you want that. So you can just select whatever you want over here with the ultra one and these as well. Now, here, whenever you are on the small, large, or mega, you'll be able to see that you can change the different metrics on layout, metrics, row, and extras. So you can change the layout over here, whether you want to show or hide the search bar, if you want decimals or no decimals, if you want to show hidden tokens or not, and you can also unhide the migrated ones if you want to. And you can also circle images or square images, so you can switch between these. You can see the progress bar or not, so here it's going to show it however you want to. You can also have spaced tables or compact tables, whatever you prefer. And then you can also customize different rows. So we have market cap, volume, fees, whatever you can see over here. So there's a bunch of different things you can do and just set if you want to see those or not. Now, under metrics, you can see it says market cap over here, volume and holders. You can basically set different colors for different ranges, and of course you can also adjust these ranges as well, which is very convenient. Just click on this button and change the color, and you can also reset back to default by clicking these buttons over here. Under rows, you can select either the color row, which looks like this, and it's kind of bright and colored, which is amazing, or you can have the normal one in case you are a fan of the default standard version. Also, you can see the protocol row colors, so you can click over here and change the color for each and every single protocol in the row, okay? So also, when you click on that, you can change that, and then you can also reset it back by just hovering over one protocol and clicking this reset button, and it's gonna go back to normal. Now you can also change some extras, so you can have the table layout. If you don't like this new pairs, fun stretch, and migrated coins, the layout like this, you can just drag and drop like this, and then it's going to basically just adjust. Now, here you can just set your click quick buy behavior, so it can also do nothing, open page, or open a new tab. You can do whatever you want, and also enable a second quick buy button as well if that's something you want to do. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can completely customize your Pulse tab, and I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.